Alright, here's the place my curtain used to be. It fell off, similar to that one. We're going to replace them. So today we're going to start with this one. I'm going to show you the replacement. Alright, let's go ahead and set this up. Alright, the process is very simple. We're going to grab the strip that came with your actual system, which are, we're going to measure it. We're going to put it right there. So we're going to put it a little bit to the corner. Let's go ahead and do that. From here to here. That's good. Put it in there. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Now that the adhesive is ready, grab that curtain. And because the curtain has Velcro, it's easy to just put on from the top. And that's it. I'm gonna show you a different perspective. All right, so because it's sunny out there, it's perfect. It blocks the sun, it goes all the way to the bottom. Now, if I wanna roll it up, all I gotta do is roll this up, all right? We'll tuck it in here, right? See that in here? Tuck it in here. Now, we're grabbing these here, and underneath, there's Velcro in there. Velcro in there, and you can leave it hanging there completely. So all right, it's too sunny right now, so what we want to do is just take these off, let them fall down, and that should darken it up. Little light here, but look at that, perfect. So you guys are looking for great cover for your windows, your doors, like your French doors like I have them. Hope you guys enjoy this video.